Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel Tinder subscription on your phone. So to do this, it's very simple. First of all, you should be sure that you are subscribed to Tinder. And to know that, you have just to go to subscriptions. And if you can see those options, they don't show you any subscription and tell you that you are subscribed. If you are seeing these options to make a new subscription, that means that you are not subscribed. So first of all, you have to check that you are already subscribed. And I want to tell you another information. So if you have two phones, for example, you have an iPhone and Android phone, and you made your subscription through the Android phone, you can't cancel it with the iPhone. So you should cancel your subscription with the same type of device that you created the subscription with it. So in case you made your subscription with an iPhone, you can go to the App Store, and after that, click on your picture on the top right of the screen. And after that, go to subscriptions. And here in subscriptions, you will find all of your subscriptions. So you should find Tinder in the active subscriptions. So I will show you an example with Apple TV, but it's the same case for all the apps. You have just to click on the app and click on cancel or cancel free trial, that the text that you will see are red. And after that, you have just to follow the steps that Apple will give you, and your subscription will be canceled. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.